Hey, hello there! Here I'm gonna show you the steps I follow in order to get this drawing done. Everything starts with the ever important circle and the cross. The cross will help you to keep the face symmetric and will tell you to what direction is the face looking. Now divide the circle in two. The top part you divide in three and the below part you divide also in three. These 2 points here determine the position and the length of the side plane of the head. In this case, this side plane looks like a line, but if the face would be looking towards the side, you would not see it like a line, but you will see it like an oval. Now, you already got the two main thirds of the face. The first one from the hairline to the eyebrows and from the eyebrows to the nose. Extend it one more time and you get a distance to the chin. And here I show you the correspondency of each one of the lines towards the side view. This is a good reference, so go ahead and take a screenshot. Now let's focus on the general position of the main features of the head, the eyes, the nose and the mouth. The distance in between the two eyes is about 1 eye length. The nose is also 1 eye length. And the mouth is about 2 eyes length. Now the eyes is fairly simple. You can think about them as a trapezoid. I like to put 3 lines on the top and 2 lines below. And with this you can do all different kinds of eyes with all different kinds of expressions. Don't worry if it looks weird in the beginning. The more you add details, the more realistic and the nicer the drawing will become. But in the beginning, it kind of looks weird. We'll get better. And now I'm gonna stay quiet and let you see how I put the rest of the details.